When someone mentions Graphic Era University, you'll usually hear one of two opinions. It's one of the best private universities in North India. Or, it's just good marketing. So, who's right? Today, instead of believing advertisements or random social media comments, let's look at the complete picture: the courses, the campus, placements, student life, and the honest pros and cons. Because choosing a college isn't about finding the best university, it's about finding the right university for your career. Let's begin. Graphic Era started as an engineering institute in 1993 and later became a deemed to be university. Today, it's one of the most recognized private universities in Uttarakhand, attracting students from almost every state in India. The university offers more than 135 programs across engineering, management, computer applications, allied health sciences, agriculture, law, humanities, sciences, and several other disciplines. It also emphasizes research, innovation, and industry focused education. Officially, Graphic Era highlights strong research output, national rankings, and a long placement record with major recruiters. But let's focus on the programs students ask about the most. Engineering is undoubtedly Graphic Era's biggest strength. The most popular branches include computer science and engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, cybersecurity, information technology, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering. If you talk to current students and alumni, one thing comes up repeatedly: the coding culture is quite active. Hackathons, coding contests, technical clubs, and project competitions are common, especially for computer science students. Many students also appreciate that companies begin interacting with students through training and placement preparation well before the final year. But here's the reality: being in CSE alone doesn't guarantee a high package. Students who consistently practice DSA, build projects, participate in hackathons, and prepare for interviews usually benefit the most. The university provides opportunities. Whether you convert them into placements depends largely on your own effort. Apart from engineering, Graphic Era also has well-established programs in management and allied health sciences. Students can pursue BBA, MBA, and specialized management programs focused on analytics, artificial intelligence, and applied business. The management school highlights industry interaction and placement support for its graduates. In healthcare, the university offers programs such as physiotherapy, medical laboratory technology, radiology, nursing, pharmacy, and other allied health courses. For students looking beyond MBBS, these fields are becoming increasingly important because India's healthcare sector continues to expand rapidly. One area where Graphic Era generally receives positive feedback is campus life. The campus is modern, student clubs are active. Annual cultural festivals and technical events attract large participation. The surrounding area is student-friendly, with cafes, hostels, and PG accommodations nearby. However, there is one criticism you'll hear quite often. Many students feel the campus has become significantly more crowded over the years. Some say this affects classroom experience and campus facilities during peak hours. So if you're expecting a very quiet, low-density campus, that's something you should personally evaluate during a campus visit. Now comes the biggest question: placements. Officially, Graphic Era reports strong placement support with dedicated aptitude training, coding preparation, mock interviews, and resume development from the early stages of a student's degree. The university also highlights consistent recruitment by companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, Adobe, Deloitte, Infosys, TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, and many others, along with high individual salary packages. But here's where you need to think carefully. On online forums, some students and professionals have questioned whether every advertised high package represents a traditional on-campus placement, noting that some achievements may include off-campus offers secured through students' own efforts. That doesn't mean the placements are fake. It means you should ask smarter questions. What is the average package for your branch? How many companies recruit specifically for your program? How many students actually receive core roles? Those answers are far more useful than simply looking at the highest package.
So, should you choose Graphicera University? If you're planning to study computer science or other technology-related branches and willing to build strong projects, Graphicera can be a very good option.